Hey there, it's Ross Nickerson at banjoteacher.com. I'm here today demonstrating the Deering Artisan Special. I hope you enjoy the video. Hey, it's Ross Nickerson. I hope you enjoyed the video of me playing the Artisan Special. If you have any questions about this banjo or any of the other banjos on my website, banjoteacher.com, please don't hesitate to call me. My phone number is on the screen, and it goes directly to me, and I'm glad to talk with you and happy to help.